First step, activating the navigation. To activate the navigation, simply drag and drop the element onto your page. Once it's added, scroll through the available styles. When you find one you like, just click to select it. Second step, editing main navbar links. To edit the main navigation links, click to select the link you want. You can rename it and set where it leads, either by pasting a URL or choosing a page from the drop-down. Want to link to a collection? Just type /collection/your collection name. You can also duplicate a link to add more, or click delete to remove the ones you don't need. Next step, editing drop-down, content and links. Let's move to editing drop-down menus. Click the drop-down to expand it. Some menus have collections nested inside. You can select them to change what collection is displayed. Menus can include different types of content. You can customize everything: images, text, buttons. Just double-click or use Ctrl+click to select and start editing. Each drop-down contains links or blocks of links. To change their destination, just select the link and set a URL or choose a page from the drop-down menu. Fourth step, hover or click to open. You can choose how the drop-down opens, either on hover or click. When the toggle is enabled, it opens on hover. When it's off, the menu will open only after it's clicked. For the mobile menu editing. To edit how your navigation looks on mobile, switch to Mobile View. Double-click on the menu icon to open it. From here, you can customize the look and layout of your mobile menu. To close it, double-click the close icon. For changing mobile icons, click on the icon element. You'll see the open icon first. Select it and choose the icon you prefer. Then, from the Layers panel, select the close icon, click it, and replace it with a new one as well. Final step, adding your logo. To change the logo, just double-click or use Ctrl+click to select the image. Then, upload your own logo. It's that simple.